But that just means the party goes on inside. Everybody's watching the game. Back there, Penelope on the left as well. And as always, the KFC. Evening everyone. We are currently in Oldtown this evening, where I just got over here a huge ice cream, for real. Just €2, 2 scoops. This must be the cheapest place ever over here in Benidorm. Check this out. 3 scoops, €3, 4 for 4. And loads of flavors. I'll definitely visit this place once you're here. Tonight we're gonna explore Oldtown and then afterwards Levante Beach. It's still quite busy out here. I will show you. We're heading towards Tapas Street over there on the right. And then make our way through Benidorm in the evening. So here it starts. The Tapas Street, Tapas Alley, or however everyone calls it. With loads of businesses over there. And some people. And while we're heading towards that, please don't forget to give a like, as it greatly promotes my videos. And please do subscribe for more Benidorm content on this channel, as it greatly helps the channel. And it's free for you to subscribe, and you'll see more videos from us on your YouTube timeline. Loads of people in here always, very busy as well. And you can eat delicious over here. Definitely have been there myself a few times already. Mostly where I'm always going towards this one over here. If it's for real for a restaurant, then we take this one. Definitely proper food.
¿Para qué metí el segundo?
And this busy street continues all the way around through all these small alleys over here, down there, and also over here. I also can get loads of tapas as well if you want some. And it all works very easily. Just grab a seat over there on the bar, order a drink, point to the dish you like, and order as many you want, and afterwards, yeah, of course you pay. We're all different businesses, so there's loads of choice, and it continues out there as well. With over there a big one, and up here as well, and then it continues through all these alleys over here. Benidorm is packed with these small restaurants and bars, like over here on both sides. And it's a very nice experience to have dinner or a drink somewhere over here. And if you're not up for all that fancy food, as always, the KFC. So on the left side over here they have all those bars and restaurants, and on the right side of the street there are all the shops and everything, souvenir shops, and you can get watches, sunglasses, literally every single thing you can think of you can get over here. And in between there's even another ice cream shop, but this one isn't that cheap. Down there in the middle they charge €3 a scoop, so definitely head towards the other one where we started our video, as it's just €1 a scoop. And I have to admit, the hazelnut and cookie dough I got over there were delicious. Definitely recommend going there. Got the alley up over here, and it's just past 10 right now. Most shops are gonna close, but the bars over there in the back at Levante Beach, they will stay open. So we're gonna head down there and have a look. And there we are, Levante Beach. And right along the beach, there are multiple bars that are still quite busy over here. Over here at Tiki Town, Arsenal is playing tonight over there on the big screen, and loads of people have interested for it. And it is quite a busy evening out here tonight. Around 18 degrees, and it brings out loads of people enjoying a drink over here on one of the beach bars that are still open until late. And tomorrow, probably this beach will look the same like right now, as there is rain in the forecast, unfortunately. Temperatures will still be around 22 degrees tomorrow, probably, but we'll see. Over here, the White Lion, everybody's watching a game. Back there, Penelope on the left as well. But at Heartbreak, the performance is continuing. Live entertainment in there. And after 10 they have to shut the doors by law nowadays. But that just means the party goes on inside. The same goes for over here at Jolly Roger. Inside the party is in full swing with live entertainment, and outside, of course, they're watching the game. Oh, look at over here. So as you've seen by now, we are out of Oldtown and out of the bars near that area, and it immediately gets a little bit more quiet over here. Especially due to the fact it's during the week, as in the weekends this place is still packed around this time of year. Even over here in the restaurants, they're open right now, and right now during the week, unfortunately closed. In May the Tiki Beach closes still quite early, as it's just before 11 right now. They are closed already, but in summer days, during July and August, the party continues over there until midnight. For many places over here on the boulevard. And temperatures will soar definitely then, as usually at night it will still be above 30 degrees even. Right now, for this time of year, 18 degrees is fine for in the evenings. It's not the warmest, definitely not cold. But for now, we all really hope this area will come alive again tomorrow. As there is rain in the forecast, let's hope it doesn't come near here. But we're gonna find out. Hope you all liked this video. Don't forget please to give a like, as it greatly promotes my videos. Don't forget to do subscribe and see what is gonna happen here tomorrow or today as you're watching it. And have a wonderful day everyone.